today, it will be the double USB port. So in order to do this upgrade, you're gonna need this piece, and just so you know, this is just a shell. It doesn't come with the USB ports. So because we have the Sport model or the LX or the EX that only has one USB port, you're gonna need to buy an extra one to go into the other part, to go into the other side right here. So the one that comes in the car, you're gonna transfer it to one of the sides, and then the one you buy goes into the other side. So as you can see, this is how it is. So this is very tight. So you're gonna have to apply a lot of pressure to shove this one that you bought inside that empty space. You're gonna also need another part. You're gonna need this piece. So everything that I have, so this piece I got from Amazon. This part I bought from Honda. And I will say this, if you want these parts, go to your Honda dealer, because if you try to buy them online, they're gonna charge you a lot of money to ship them to you. So go to your nearest Honda dealer, to the parts department, and have them order these parts for you. I'm gonna link all the part numbers in the descriptions, because sometimes what they do, they're gonna ask you for your VIN, and because your VIN number doesn't carry this piece, they might not want to sell it to you. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this interior center console apart, install the new pieces, and show you how to connect everything. Alright, stay tuned. So first, we're gonna remove this. You wanna get a pry tool, get it all the way up in here. There you go. Push this all the way down. You're gonna wanna undo these two Phillips right here. Okay. Make sure you don't lose these screws. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and lift this trim piece up. Now there's a whole bunch of wires underneath here for each of these. You want to disconnect those wires before you actually lift the whole thing out. Alright, just gonna put this in the back for now. Next I'm gonna lift this piece off. Here. Alright, so you're gonna come up on this clip right here, you're gonna want to remove it from the trim. Alright, so once you do all that, all this piece comes out, and then you just gotta disconnect all the wires back here. So you got one wire for the airbag, you got the power wire for the light in the single outlet, you have the actual USB, and then you have the this one is for the lighter, 12 volts. So now there's 2 screws to remove this piece from the side pieces. So now use your Phillips. Alright guys, so you have to dismantle this whole thing. So there's this bracket, it has 2 screws, so you remove those 2 screws, and then this just comes apart. You have, there you go. And then there are some clips underneath up in here. Oh, so this piece snaps into this. So I think you just pull it off like. There you go. So that's how you do it. So now I'm gonna transfer this and this. So you have 2 ends right here. You push them in and it slides right out. Just slide it back over this side. Make sure you pay attention. You don't want it to be upside down. There goes that. Then you transfer the 12 volt. So removing this, the 12 volt, is kind of tricky. It has tabs all the way around, so you want to get a flat head and you work your way around it and push them in one by one. Keep pressure on the ones you pushed in, just so they don't come back out. And there you go. It's out. So as you can see, these are the tabs that goes all the way around. And then you just put it back in the new one. There's only one way this can go in. It has a slit right here, which this part goes into. You just line it up, and it clicks in, just like that. Now, this piece, drop that in there. So you want to make sure when you put it in there, the charging symbol is to the right, because the connection, when you make the connection needs to be up top. As you can see with this one, the connection is up top. So once you get it in there, you just slide it all the way in. And it clicks. There you go. For this piece, you're gonna connect it to the 12 volt, which is this wire here. So I am going to use wire taps to tap into this wire, so you have a black and a white wire. So the white, I think that is that's your positive, and the black wire is always going to be your negative. I'm just going to slip this a little bit. Be careful when you're cutting this cover, you don't want to slip the wire. gonna get my wire tap and tap into positive and a negative. My red is my positive, my black is my negative. What I did, I kind of wrapped it with heat shield. This is a sound deadening, but it's also fireproof. So what it does, if that's just in case this should overheat, catch fire, I won't have any issues. So the next step I'm gonna do is attach my wire taps to these and tap into the 12-volt wire, which is this one. So these are posi taps. Instead of me cutting the wiring, I just tap into it. So all I do is just clip back in, like so. This one like so. Okay. And I gotta put this bracket back on. Screw them back in. All right. Let them know it'll be ready to put everything back together. Let's get everything back in. Let me get your lighter right here. This is for the light, for the USB. Everything up. Your bag for the passenger and your USB port. That's all the wiring. Just to double check that you're not leaving any wires unplugged. Okay guys, I tightened down everything. just got to put everything back the way it was. So I'm gonna replace this center part, the centerpiece cover. Reattach all the wires. Put this back in here. Gotta make sure we reattach all the wires first. This comes back in here. That's annoying. I think this was trying to troll me. Here we go. It's got all the wires. Okay. Now I'm time to put it back where it came from. And there you go. So we're all done. 2 USB ports now fully installed and functional. Alright guys, there you go. Let me know what you think. Everything works. So that will be it for this video, guys. I hope you like this install. Again, I have all the part numbers for you that you can take to your dealer, give it to them. So I do have another module. I'm going to be giving that one away, but you have to be a subscriber. These are the rules. You have to be a subscriber. You have to like and comment, I want that module. That's what you got to do. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'll catch you in the next one.